Mary here. I'm a brand ambassador for toallmyblackgirls.com and I'm going to be running through some tutorials on how you can wear your kinky course clip-ins.
I start off this hairstyle by using a metal comb to create a parting at the back of my head. I go from one side of my head to the other and I use my fingers to detangle as I go along. I take some gel and I add it to the roots of this parting section. I then take a hairband and secure this section into a little puff. I'm trying to make it as tight but yet as loose as possible at the same time. I pick up my metal comb again and I move on to the middle section of my hair, creating a parting from one side of my head to the other, just like before, and using my fingers to detangle as I go along. There goes the Eco Styler. I add some of that to my hands, and just like before, I apply the Eco Styler to the root of this section piece. I pick up another hairband and I secure into my second bun. I move on to the front of my hair and use an Eco Styler to make it as flat as possible. I add a hairband to create my third puff of the day. And then pull that a bit and I show you guys what my hair looks like so far. I then take my stick brush, which has more Eco Styler on it, and I gel down my edges. I then pick up my first set of kinky course clip-ins, and this one has the 5 clips in it. I add this to the front section of my hair, which is also known as the front puff, making sure to clip as I go. I then pick up my second kinky course clip-ins, and this one has 4 clips in it. I proceed to wrap this around the first set of clip-ins, and I take the kinky course hair along with mine and I twist into a bun, making sure to straighten and to smooth out as I twist around my puff. Once I've created my desired bun look, I use a hairband to secure the bun into place and take bobby pins to make sure that the end of the clip-ins is nicely tucked underneath the bun. I then take the kinky course clip-ins again, but this time the one that has 3 clips, and I wrap that around the second bun, also known as the middle section of my hair. I take my second kinky course clip-ins, again this one has 3 clips in it, and I proceed to wrap that around the first set that I put on the second section of my puff. Just like the first time, I proceed to twist the kinky course clip-ins and my hair around each other to create a bun, making sure to smooth as I go along. Once I've got my desired bun look, I take a hairband and I secure that bun into place. Give them a look, girl! For the back part of my puff, because it's a shorter section, it's a smaller section as well, I only use the clip-ins that has 2 clips, and I use 2 of these, and just like before, I wrap around itself to create a bun. And I secure this bun with another hairband. I'm trying to make sure it's as flat as possible as I'm doing this. And voila! There you have it, a 3 top bun mohawk style.
Thank Thank you for watching, and join me again soon as I'll be showing you some more hairstyles you can do with your kinky course clip-ins. To purchase your clip-ins, please visit toallmyblackgirls.com. Bye!